Yeah, man. It's your boy Kevin Love again. This one is strictly for my boy, Mr. Earl. Um, he told me I should have got the Elite out to do a triple version of this. So I'm going to do that, man. I'm going to do that just for him and all the rest of my Hoover lovers out there. So you get to see the Soft and Light and the Runabout run again for the second time today. And then this time we're just going to add the Hoover Elite along with it. So with that being said, I just made an all blue one like this too. So now you get to see the all burgundy one. As you can see, the Elite is classic as well. It got the side post holes instead of the deluxe style. If you follow me, you know I got about, I got this one plus 3 of the exact same one, exact same color. So I might in the future sell one of them because I just don't have a need for 4 Hoover Elites, the same model, same color, same amps. I don't really have a need for that no more. So, and this is actually one of the best ones, so you won't be getting that one. I mean, they all run pretty good though. They do. And let me see, what is that one? Yeah. So I was wrong about never having a 12 amp Hoover. This Hoover Elite is actually a 12 amp Hoover. I never knew that till literally just now. That's the reason why that one is so high pitch. Along with this Runabout here, it's high pitch because it's a 12 amp. And then that Soft and Light is a 7 amp. So you get to see them all 3 side by side. These are the sisters of the Burgundy Hoover Elites / Soft and Light / Runabouts. Let's get to it. We're going to run this Elite first, since we haven't got to this one today. Let's do it. Soft and Light. Runabout. So you heard from the Runabout, you heard from the Soft and Light, and you heard from the Hoover Elite. Classic machines. I think that's about as good as it gets, y'all. I don't think it gets no better. It's not too many out there that got these type of machines. It's not too many of us that got them. So for us that does have them, shouts out. You know who you are. I ain't saying no names. Shouts out to you. Keep them, love them, and for the rest of y'all that don't have them, try to find them. They out there. Look on eBay. Look on Wish. We wish. Look on Wish. Look on Amazon. Look on shit. Look on Facebook Market. Facebook Market. Look on what's that other one? It'll come back to me. I forgot it. But anyway, just keep on looking if you're looking for one. Here's another close-up on the beautiful Hoovers. And you see with the Elite, they didn't do the lines. This one was just like that mortaring bag. And then when the Soft Delight came, they made the lines. And then when that one came, they made the lines. And that one was just plain. Love them all. Gotta love the Hoovers. Got to love the Hoovers. I thank God for the man that made the Hoovers. God bless you. I'm out. Peace.